In this video we are gonna modify the new Amarok with the Seikel kit. We are the first ones to receive the parts, so come and check it out. Alright, so we started the project. First thing is we are gonna change the wheels, change the suspension. Suspension is also double wishbone like in the previous Amarok. What I can notice straight away is the upright is now aluminium, used to be cast iron. And also the mounting of the suspension, the lower part, is now called T-bone. Used to be a bit different, otherwise looks pretty familiar. Alright, we just received the parts from Seikel. First ones to get hands-on with the Amarok parts. Me and Niklas will start to unpack. Here is the engine and gearbox protection. Like you can see, it is 5mm aluminum, all fitted, so we can just bolt it on. High quality, like always, the Seikel products. Next thing is Niklas is going to fit them in. Here we have the rock sliders. As you can see, they are really heavy-duty versions. With these you can lean onto the rocks while you're doing your off-road stuff. High quality. So in this car we have the 2-liter engine. This was first car we could get hands-on. Like you can see, it looks slightly different like what you can see from Volkswagen products. This is coming from Ford, so that's the new things us as a Volkswagen shop needs to get our head around. Alright, we just received the tires from Nokian. We're gonna be using the Nokian tires. Outpost Niklas will start to prepare them. Alright, let's go under the car and see what the guys have installed. Here in front axle, we have the suspension kit, the red conies. We get more clearance than the original 30mm. Here we have the engine protection. It is made of 5mm aluminum. It's following the lines of the bottom of the car. Next one, we have the gearbox protection. The gearbox is really long. The oil pan is made of plastic, so this is really important part. Here inside, next to the chassis, we have wiring and control units. We have protection also for that, so no sticks or anything like that can damage the looming. Then we have the rock sliders. It is made of double pipe, so first one is under the side skirt, second one is next to the side skirt, so it is protecting from bottom and from the side. And it's fixed from 4 places. And here in the back we have the fuel tank. In this car the fuel tank is made of plastic. And in the rear axle, again the red conies getting more stroke and the blocks getting more ground clearance. In this car we have also the Delta Hamna 18-inch wheels, and with the tire modification we get extra 20mm of clearance. And of course, when you run out of fuel, you can take the fuel tank and carry it to the fuel station, fill it up and put it back. Alright, this is the moment I've been waiting for. We are here, middle of nowhere. We are gonna take the new Amarok for an off-road test. We've just installed the suspension kit, underbody protection, big wheels. So let's take the car for an ultimate test. There we go. I recommend when you go for off-road, you will put low 4 and the rear differential. Manual, and you select the gear which speed you want to approach. Because if you will need to get a little bit more speed, the automatic will upshift and then you will lose the momentum. So I recommend always driving with manual, then you can know if you want to stick with the gear or you want to go a higher gear. It's up to you. So we are taking the Amarok to the ultimate test here in Finnish forest. Like you can see, weather is damp and we are really pushing the Amarok for the limits. First feelings from the Amarok is feels quite bulky, but the turning radius is awesome. And what I'm loving is you can see the 360 camera. So this is super steep and really big. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby. Here we go. Taking it easily. The hill climb mode is perfect. At the moment I'm not touching anything. Yeah, 3 kilometers per hour. The track is really slippy. Can take it super easily. So the track is super slippy. Problem in this weather is your tire tread will be full of mud. So you don't have any surface. We have big downhill coming. So I cannot see anything, but I know the track is gonna go straight forward. The angle is roughly 30 degrees. All right, this looks like a challenge for us. Can we make it? The gravel is really soft today because full rain all day. Bit more speed. Looks like the uphill is really soft. There we go. And when we are up the hill, we will need to take the complete speed out. I've been driving now both cars, the V6 and the 2-liter. In off-road, I don't feel any difference. So the bigger engine, I don't feel that you get any advantage from there. If you're pulling a trailer or you need to overtake, you drive on a highway, then for sure bigger engine gives you more power. But here in off-road, I feel the 2-liter engine is strong enough. If you have the possibility to choose accessories, select the 360 camera. And if somebody who's looking the video knows how to use it all the time when you're doing off-road, comment, let us know. Next time we are gonna use it. So now after the test we can say the new Amarok with Seikel suspension underbody protection is a really off-road car. Thank you for watching, subscribe, like, see you next time.